What up, Iron the Gang? It's your boy Tips, back again here for another video. As promised in my last video, here's a video of our night out. I have to give a shout out to everybody who helped me out in this video and everybody who sent in their clips in. Alright, let's get into it.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
All my most sensitive areas were inflamed. My extremities pulsated.
We got a couple hundred cars. They're setting up for rings in the area. It looks like you may want to treat a plan in and around the area, so trying to deal with that. It's going to be a problem.
Right there too, for an update. Units are on scene. There's a group moving from Toronto, Victoria Park, north towards Steeles. And there's an intersection takeover in Toronto at McNichol and Temple Avenue, just south there. Here too, we're seeing donuts and some fireworks. It's gonna be another group meetup with people getting out of cars.
So with those cars that are doing donuts, if we're able to identify and follow one of them, and then with uniform assets, potentially we can try rolling block, stop for an arrest for dangerous.
Yeah, step 4, we picked a winner. We can call him out. Following one that was doing donuts in the lot, now northbound on Steeles. Yeah, here too, it confirms. So that's the vehicle we observed doing donuts in the parking lot. Close proximity to people. So there's a group moving from Toronto, Victoria Park, north towards Steeles. And there's an intersection takeover in Toronto at McNichol and Temple Avenue.
Setting up for rings in the area. It looks like you may want to create a plan in and around the area to try and deal with that. It's going to be a problem.
This was legit the funniest part of the night. When we all rolled past that random cop that was sitting there. He's like, oh, this looks awfully suspicious. There's more of you pulling up. Green light for us. And whoever the Mercedes is went on the left side of him.
Back this 4 in then.
Here too, we're seeing donuts and some fireworks in the field. Group meetup.
cars that are doing donuts, if we're able to identify and follow one of them, and then with uniform assets, potentially we can try rolling block, stop for an arrest for dangerous.
For our group, he's not being mean, he just looks like he's asking people to leave. Something's going on here though with this other group.
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I just want to show this last clip of this guy losing his race with windshield wipers on. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know by smashing the like button below. Alright, your boy Tips is out. Catch you guys later, yo.
Bro, my mans are getting fucked right now. We were literally just behind them. We did a fucking U-turn. Oh shit, man.
Constitute dangerous.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stinky, you can smell it through the package.